بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
لإيلاف قريش
In order to give inclination to the Quraysh,
إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف
Allah gave them the inclination during both of their business journeys in the winter and the summer.
فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت.
So they should worship the Lord of this house, i.e. of the Kaaba,
الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف.
the one who gave them food and hunger and secured them from great fear.
صدق الله العظيم.